In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Trello. This process is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure that notifications are sent out promptly and efficiently. We'll walk through each step carefully so you'll be able to replicate it confidently. Let's get started with accessing your Trello board. Open your browser and go to Trello. Once you're there, navigate to the board that you want to automate. This is your starting point, so make sure you're on the correct board where your tasks are organized. Next, look for the Automations button at the top of your Trello board. Click on it to begin setting up your email automation. This will open up a menu with various options, allowing you to customize your automation process quite further. Now, you're going to want to click on Create Rules from the automation options. By doing this, you're setting up the framework for your future email actions within Trello. Once you're in, click on Create Automation. This step is where the real setup begins, so ensure you're ready to configure the rules that will trigger your emails. Now, you need to click on plus add trigger. Triggers are essential, as they define what actions within Trello will initiate your email automation. With numerous triggers available, choose one that aligns with your workflow and the email actions you need. After selecting your trigger, click the plus sign to move to the next step. This action lets you configure what happens when the trigger is activated. Now, let's select the action. This action will be sending an email, so choose that option. At this point, you'll need to specify the content of your email. You should see fields where you can type in the recipient's email address, the subject of the email, and the message you want to send. Be sure to fill these out accurately. Moreover, if your email requires it, you can paste the card URL or link at this point, which can be very useful when you need the recipient to reference back to a specific Trello card. After you've entered all the necessary details, click on another plus sign if you want to add more actions. Otherwise, you're almost done. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details and the automation set up, click on the Save button. This will ensure that your automation is stored and active whenever the designated trigger occurs in your Trello board. And that's it. You've now automated your emails in Trello, making it easier than ever to keep your team in the loop with minimal effort. This setup will help you maintain a seamless workflow, allowing you to focus more on the tasks that matter. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide useful.